Hi, today I am showing you simple and easy trick about thick square tube welding, and this video is going satisfied for welder lovers. And welder lovers, so watch full video and comment and share your experience with us. Watch every step carefully, and I hope you get better ideas from my video. Thin metal are very difficult to weld. If you have no idea of current and electrode number, then may you finished your job and destroyed. Now watch the second step of our welding position. And make sure you follow our steps in daily routine. I hope you learn a lot from my video, so subscribe my channel. And share with your friends our videos especially make for welder lovers. And welder learner, we bring amazing and new idea for your bright future. Thanks.